MobiKwik receives BSE note to launch stock broking operations. One MobiKwik Systems Limited has received approval from Bombay Stock Exchange to commence its stock broking business through its wholly owned subsidiary, MobiKwik Securities Broking Private Limited. The approval enables the subsidiary to begin operations on the BSE platform with effect from February 24, 2026. This development follows the earlier stock broking registration granted to MSBPL by Securities and Exchange Board of India in July 2025. With the BSE node now in place, the company has completed the key regulatory milestones required to operationalize its broking business. Under this approval, MSBPL is authorized to carry out activities related to buying, selling, dealing, clearing and settlement of equity trades on the exchange. This effectively marks MobiKwik's formal entry into the stock broking segment, expanding its presence beyond digital payments and lending into capital market services. Strategically, this move represents an important step in MobiKwik's evolution into a broader financial services platform. India has witnessed a sharp rise in retail investor participation over the past few years, supported by digital onboarding, simplified trading apps and increasing financial awareness. By entering the broking space, MobiKwik aims to tap into this expanding investor base. Executive Director, Co-founder and CFO Upasana Taku described the BSE approval as a pivotal step in the company's journey toward building a scaled financial services ecosystem. The company believes its existing digital platform can help simplify investing for first-time users and bring more participants into formal capital markets. From a business perspective, integrating stock broking with its existing fintech offerings could allow MobiKwik to deepen customer engagement and diversify revenue streams. The company already operates in payments and digital credit, and adding broking services enables cross-selling opportunities within its customer base. The broader context is important. Retail participation in Indian equity markets has expanded significantly, with millions of new demat accounts opened in recent years. Digital brokerages have played a major role in lowering entry barriers through app-based trading platforms and seamless KYC processes. MobiKwik's entry adds another fintech brand to this competitive landscape. However, the stock broking business is highly regulated and competitive. Success will depend on platform reliability, user experience, pricing strategy, customer acquisition costs and compliance standards. Building trust among retail investors will be critical, particularly for first-time market participants. Overall, the BSE approval marks the formal operational launch of MobiKwik's stock broking venture. It strengthens the company's positioning as a diversified digital financial services provider and opens a new growth avenue aligned with India's expanding retail investing ecosystem. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.